Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the mean value theorem for integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x is equal to 4 times x to the 1/2 power on our interval from 0 to 3, and we have to find the average value here. Well, our f of c, our f of c value here is equal to, actually let's put it below. I like to set it up below first. We want to find that f of c value, and we use a formula, 1 over b minus a, my b value being 3, and my a value being 0, times the integral from 0 to 3 of our function, 4x to the 1/2 dx. You set it up, that's half the battle right here. Now let's go simplify. 1 over 3 minus 0 is 1 over 3. Right? Times the integral. Now we have to integrate this. 4x to the 1/2 power simplifies or integrates to be an 8/3 x to the 3/2 power. And we're integrating this from a 0 to 3 right there. Okay? So our rules for, well, this integral, we plug in 3 in for x first. So we plug 3 in for x, and I did this for you, and I got a, well, I'll write it out here because it's pretty simple. 8/3, as you can see, times 3 to the 3/2 power. Subtract when we plug 0 in for x, and that is a 0. Okay? Simplifying this out, right, we don't really need the minus 0. Kind of cross that off here, and multiply that by 1/3, and this actually simplifies to be, when it's all said and done, an 8 square root 3 over 3, and hopefully you know how to do that. And that's approximately a 4.619. And so there we have it. We have our answer, our average value over the given interval, which is this 8 times the square root of 3 over 3. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.